Power up. With the charging management features in the Mini app, you can remote control the charging process of your fully electric or plug-in hybrid Mini. The Vehicle tab shows you the current state of charge and driving range. While charging, you can check the remaining charging time. Electrified. Open Charge and Climate to plan charging times and preconditioning of the vehicle interior. Plan ahead. Activate Charge immediately to start charging as soon as the vehicle is plugged in. Or select Charge and Time slot to set a preferred charging time, for example to profit from lower electricity prices. In the Charge and Climate menu, activate Precondition for departure and select your usual departure times for the week. Or set a one-off timer for today. Flexible, right? Your Mini will activate the air conditioning automatically before the set departure times. Happy? Press Send to Vehicle to activate your current charge and climate settings. Take a look back. In the Vehicle tab, open the charging history to see all charging sessions of the vehicle since linking it to the Mini app. Every entry shows you date, time, location, charging duration, and the estimated used amount of electric energy. Want more? Select an entry to see additional info about whether or not preconditioning was activated and, if available, the estimated costs for charging sessions at non-public locations. Press New Tariff to enter known energy costs for a non-public charging connection. You can select if the energy rate is valid all day or enter multiple rates for different times. From now on, your charging history entries at this location will include a cost estimation and inform you if you could save costs at another time. Always in charge. The Mini app sends you push notifications about charging incidents or when your Mini is fully charged. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.